Welcome to Math 2318 Linear Algebra. In this brief introduction, we're going to look at the basic mechanics of how the class functions. Hopefully you've made it this far. This is in Lone Star College Online. So once you made it here, this is our particular course. This is the opening announcements. The basics of the course are the following: the homework assignments, the sample test, the midterm, and the final. They are all in something called My Math Lab. The homework assignments have unlimited tries, so you can continue to work the homework until you get a perfect grade. The sample tests have unlimited tries so that you know what the real tests look like, but they don't count for a grade. And then the midterm and the final are also in My Math Lab. You can work them from home, and you have 2 tries per problem. How you register for My Math Lab is clicking here, so let's go there. This is a PDF file. It shows you exactly where to go. And the important thing is the instructor's course ID, Martin 59697. You're going to need that when you register for My Math Lab. So let's go there. So this is what it looks like when you get there. If you need to register, you're going to click Register. If you already have a username and a password, you would come here. So let's see. And the password. And so once you sign in, and once you get in there, it's going to show you our particular course. So if you click on that, and once you get in here, the main thing that's going to be important for you is the home page, the assignments. So any assignments that you see for the course are going to appear here. A number of assignments are already there, all of the Chapter 1 assignments. So what you'll notice is all of the assignments, all of the tests are due by August the 15th at midnight. So you can pace yourself. You can go fast, you can go slow. You're going to take a vacation or a trip and you're gone for a week, that's okay. Then just get caught up and make sure you complete everything by the 15th. The interactive ebook, if you click here, is a book, our book, that's interactive in that they work, and you're going to need the Wolfram CDF player. It's free. You can download it, takes it a little while, or you can use the full version of Mathematica if you have it. So here is the entire book, but I'll show you. I've already put it in D2L for you so that you can access them easily and quickly. Alright, so let's get rid of this. That's the interactive book. Most of the rest of this you really don't need. Mainly the assignments and the interactive ebook. Alright, so let's come back to our particular course. We were looking at how to register. So let's come back to the beginning. Alright, so that's the homework. Now click here and you'll get the schedule, the book, the solutions, lots of things. So when you click here, let's see, it talks about what we're covering. There's a suggested timeline. You don't have to follow it, but it's a suggested timeline as to when you cover things. Alright, Power is PowerPoint slides which talk about the theory in the book. Some of my lectures will come from the PowerPoint presentations. The book, that's the interactive book. Here's a link up here on the top to the free Mathematica player to actually play them offline and read them. Now for the homework, 1.1 here has the full textbook solution manual, and I've highlighted in red the particular problems from the homework. P is in my math lab a PDF file of what the homework looks like along with the solutions. And then on the side here will be links where I'll have YouTube videos where I talk about theory, homework, any important comments on that particular section. And that's all the way to the end. And at the end of June, we'll have a sample midterm so you can see what that looks like, and you can work on taking that. All right, back to the beginning here. The syllabus, you can look at the syllabus. The basic idea is the homework assignments give you 40% of your grade. The midterm gives you 30%. The final gives you 30%. The midterm and the final you'll work from at home, wherever you want, anytime that you want to work it, as soon as it becomes available. So you can click on the syllabus and go through the syllabus, all the policies and details if you want to see those things. Alright, back to the beginning again. And if you click on full course content, that'll take you to the content, or you can just click here on content and it will take you to how to register, a discussion where if you have any questions or problems you could put them there, the syllabus, and the schedule. Grades are where you would see your current grades for the homework average, but that won't be there until the very end. Your grade for the midterm and the final, but the grades are not updated from my math lab. I have to enter them by hand, so grades really won't be there until the very end. That's the main heart of the things that you need for the course. A helpful link for you is Wolfram Alpha. We'll use that from time to time just because it takes some of the drudgery out of doing these matrix row operations. I mean, it's good to do some of these things once or twice, but once you get the hang of it, what we really want is the answer. And what does it look like, and what do we infer from that particular example? So mathematics, you can click on that, and there's lots of examples from algebra, from calculus, differential equations, or what we need here, linear algebra. So you click on there, there's all kind of helpful tools for how we can use Wolfram Alpha to take some of the drudgery out of the long calculations. Alright, well, I hope that gets you started in the course. If you have any questions, you can email me or post them to our discussion board.